Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel and hope you guys are having a great day. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can share your phone screen using Facebook Messenger. Well, this is a new feature of Messenger. So if you guys have not updated your Messenger to the latest version, then you guys cannot use this feature. So before I teach you that, I want you guys to update your Messenger if you guys haven't. But if you guys have already updated your Messenger, then it's great. And let's move on to the video. And yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And let's get on with it. So let's say I want to share my screen with my friend Megan over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on his chat and I want to video call him. Now this is important. You have to video call the person with whom you want to share your screen. A normal voice call won't work, video call. So I'm going to video call this person over here. Once I video call this person, basically what I can do is to share my screen. I can scroll up just like this and there's gonna be a share your screen option over here. You want to click on share your screen and my screen will start to share with this person. That's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys and I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.